the Saudi-Pakistan Mutual Defense Agreement the precursor to an Islamic NATO-like pact with an Article 5-like agreement? Well, an attack on one will be treated as an attack on both. The agreement was inked between the Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman and the Pakistani Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, flanked by Pakistan's Islamist Army Chief Asim Munir. Is Saudi Arabia hedging with the US, failing to protect Qatar from an Israeli attack? Well, is the pact just optics? And what does it mean if India were to carry out Operation Sindoor 2.0? Take a look at this report.
Saudi Arabia and nuclear-armed Pakistan have inked a sweeping mutual defense pact. Riyadh and Islamabad will treat an attack on one as an attack on both. Saudi Arabia's Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman and Pakistani Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif sealed the deal in Riyadh. Pakistan's Army Chief Asim Munir, the real power in Islamabad, was also present. India has reacted to the new military equation. The Ministry of External Affairs said it had anticipated the move and will study the implications for India's national security and regional stability. The government also underlined that India remains fully committed to safeguarding its national interests across all domains. The big question is, why now? The pact comes amid waning Gulf trust in US security guarantees. Last week's Israel strike on Doha rattled Riyadh. With America seen unwilling or unable to intervene, Saudi Arabia has now turned to new allies. As for Pakistan, for decades, it has been Saudi's rent-a-security force, from guarding oil fields to royal palaces. But this is the first time the deal is stamped as a strategic defense pact. But here's the irony. Pakistan promises to protect Saudi Arabia, when it couldn't even protect its own bases from Indian missiles during Operation Sindoor. The Saudi-Pakistan pact highlights the shifting sands of Gulf security. For India, the takeaway is crystal clear. Keep Gulf ties warm and keep deterrence sharp. Bureau Report, India Today.